Hey, champs! Get ready for an exciting journey as we unveil the secrets to supercharging your analytics with Social Champ's amazing features. Let's dive right in and take your social media game to the next level. First things first, log in to your Social Champ account. Now, head over to Analytics. Next, pick the social media account you want to analyze. Easy, right? Time to choose your date range. Whether it's yesterday's data or a custom range, it's all at your fingertips. Your data magically transforms into stunning graphs for audience, engagement, impressions, and brand awareness. Here you can see all your graphs individually for your audience range throughout the selected time, your total audience growth, paid, unpaid, and lost. Then your total engagement through the time, along with all the reactions you have got. Isn't it cool? You can actually check clicks on your videos, photos, links, and others. Also, the shares and messages you have received. Now comes your total impressions. Isn't it great to actually see not just your organic paid, but your viral posts, a pure gem for social media managers? Brand awareness, your organic brand reporting through time and getting all the mention. Calculating video views could be hectic, right? Let's keep track of total video views graph with all unpaid, paid, and views. Want to know when your audience is most active and engaged? Best Time to Post widget has your back. It analyzes your followers' behavior and suggests the perfect times to share your content for maximum reach and impact. Here comes the demographics that comes with your average fan's top places and top language with all the numbers of audience age and gender. Map looks cool when it shows color of your audience from there. But when it comes to the map, let's sort them into top countries, top cities, and top languages. Now let's sort those posts with the toggle for tops post and all posts. Not only this, go to the show more, and you can analyze your all posts with their performances. Also, you can see both in all and list view with all the analytics mentioned in numbers there. Not only this, you can actually download this report in the form of CSV. Coming back on top, all the individual graphs can be downloaded. But wait, there's more? Click Export to save your insights as a PDF, PPP, or CSV report. Professional, right? Download your report completely white labeled. You can actually add your customer picture and name of the report. You can have your customer white-labeled report ready with complete data and graphs. You can now easily download the report after checking all the preview. Remember, analytics may vary, so explore and conquer. Time to supercharge your social media game with Social Champ. That's a wrap, champ. Start revolutionizing your social media presence today with Social Champ.